I have got peach flavor and she's got. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Ali.
And I'm Saida.
In this first vlog, you're gonna see a lot of crazy things happening. क्योंकि हमारे पास है
Paint puzzle.
So we are gonna get bean puzzle और इसमें क्या होता है? Saida is gonna explain because मुझे पता नहीं.
This is the Bean Boozled box, and it contains a spinner with all the flavors on it and some jelly beans. So basically, there is one color and two flavors. So it can either be a good flavor like blue. Blue can be berry or it can be toothpaste.
Oh my God! तो इसमें बहुत सारे कैंडी फ्लेवर्स जैसे लगते हैं बट कैंडी फ्लेवर्स है नहीं.
It's quite disgusting.
It's quite disgusting because इसमें बहुत सारे dog food आता है इसमें और socks. Socks, what is that?
Socks, and then there's a rotten egg.
Rotten egg.
Ew.
आज हम लोग bean boozled होने वाले हैं. So let's start the challenge as well.
And I have
उससे पहले. Okay, so we have
my cover to spit it out.
Okay, she's gonna have the cover because she's gonna have lot of dirty and bad stuff.
I
हम
just
लोग
so
को.
that I don't give it to you.
So let's start this challenge.
Yeah, let's start.
So यहाँ पर है ये स्पिनर. जैसे कि आप देखते हो बहुत सारे कलर्स हैं. इसमें हम लोग को ऐसे करना पड़ेगा और after that
whichever color we get, we're gonna eat that.
Yes.
Cool. So you.
Yes, I'm excited.
I am, but I'm scared.
Let's see क्या होता है.
Okay, spin.
1, 2, 3. There goes nothing.
It's peach.
So it's peach. जैसे यहाँ
Dude,
पे
you just
देखते हो.
pinned it. You just pinned it.
Okay.
It landed on peach.
Okay, so it's peach now.
It's orange and red. No, move that. So I'm gonna keep two, and whichever one you can choose.
Let us choose this. So this is the candy. It's orange and peach.
Orange and peach, orange and red.
Orange and red. So there goes nothing. Please. Okay. I have got peach flavor and she's got the. What was
the
it?
hell is this?
What was it?
Oh my god, this is so bad. Can you get me water?
No water.
It's barf.
No juice. So she's
It's
got. She's got barf. बहुत गंदा टेस्ट है मुझे
I
पता
can't
नहीं.
spell because I can just get the smell of that.
So I'm 1 and she's 0.
Oh my god, this is so bad.
Yay.
This is too bad.
Okay, let's continue with the challenge.
I don't want to try it again. Oh my god, I want to puke.
You have to try. You got
Can I
it.
just get some water?
No.
I'm back with some water.
She's just got the water back and देखो मेरी नसीब है मुझे कुछ गंदा फ्लेवर मिला नहीं and she's got the
It's
bad
fine.
flavor.
This is the first round.
I'm gonna win. Who's gonna win? Comment down below कौन जीतते हैं इसमें. पहले
It's
से.
me. It's me, obviously.
Okay, let's spin
Me.
it again. She has to spin the chart.
Hey, move your hand. Yellow with white.
Okay, so it's yellow with white. If you can see here, it's yellow with white. तो fingers crossed. कुछ होना नहीं है. मुझे तो लगता है कि मैं ही जीतूंगा. देखते हैं.
Okay, so this is either.
See, this is it.
This is either butter popcorn or rotten egg.
Oh my God. I'm used to eggs, but not rotten egg.
Rotten egg.
Rotten egg से तो बर्बाद हो जाएंगे. हाँ?
Oh, okay.
So there goes nothing.
One.
Cheers.
Cheers. 1, 2, 3, go. Mine dropped.
You dropped.
Mine dropped.
So obviously she loses and.
No, wait, I have another one here.
बहुत अच्छा.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya Rabbi, bachana. Butter popcorn.
Okay, I got butter
Oh
popcorn.
my god,
too.
so nice. This is actually so nice.
Very good.
What do you get?
Butter popcorn.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Okay, so I got rotten egg, but I ate it and I controlled it.
Oh my god, yuck!
So I win 2 points again.
No! It doesn't count like that.
It does.
You get the bad flavor and you lose 1 point.
I mean, so it's
really got
one
rotten egg?
each. Yeah, I got
Was it
rotten egg
bad?
and I ate it. It was really disgusting, but जीतने के लिए कुछ भी करना पड़ता है.
Such a cheater. Such a cheater.
Okay, let's
I
start.
don't want to play with you anymore.
Let's do it again. I'm gonna spin it now, and
So it's 1-1.
hopefully this time I'm gonna get good flavor.
Hey, वापस. Oh, it's the same thing, no?
Okay, so we
it's
have
a
got.
colorful one. It's tutti frutti.
So we have got
Or-
this one, tutti frutti. आप लोगों को शायद दिखाई नहीं देगा, लेकिन this is
It's
it.
tutti frutti or stinky socks.
Stinky socks?
Yeah.
Did you say stinky socks?
Yeah. You go first.
I'm not gonna smell my toe and see if my toes are stinking.
Yeah.
Obviously, socks का smell
They do
तो,
stink a
you know.
They stink a lot. They do stink a lot.
So let's start the challenge. Here goes nothing again.
Tutti frutti.
1, 2, 3.
Go.
This time I win again because I've got the best flavor. What is that? Tutti frutti.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's
no,
so tasty.
It actually stinks. It stinks like socks.
You're stinking.
My nose is like socks.
Who stings?
now. My nose.
Okay, so टूटी फ्रूटी फ्लेवर अपने पास आ गया है और हमने ये चांस भी जीत लिया. मतलब it's 2 and 1.
Yeah, 2 and 1. Okay.
Lucky
I will
enough.
spin.
So it's time for Saida to spin this. Okay, what's it?
It's green with dark green spots.
So this is green with dark green spots again.
Okay, I choose.
सच बता रहा हूँ बहुत गंदे फ्लेवर्स है.
So green with
There you
dark.
go. This is the green with dark spots.
Okay, 1.
There goes nothing again. Cheers. You get the bad one.
You
I
get
get the good one.
He's so mean.
1, 2, 3.
Marriage is not
Let's
easy.
start.
1, 2, 3, go. Lime!
Wow, even I got lime.
Sachin?
Yeah,
What
really
is
good. It's really good. Yeah.
it? Oh, really? What
No,
is
it's
it?
good. Lime. I
Are
got
you
lime.
sure?
Yeah.
I don't trust you anymore.
I got lime.
I really don't trust you.
I really got lime. I got lime and it's really, really tasty. It's already tasting again. Okay, I didn't eat.
I am not playing a lead.
Okay, so I'm gonna eat.
I'm
Wait.
leading.
I'm gonna try.
Cheater gets the bad one. You're gonna cheat.
Give me that.
No, God! No, God, please!
Cheat?
No, I'm not gonna cheat, but this, let me tell the taste of it. This
No,
really
let him
tastes
chewing
like.
it.
I like challenges. So this probably tastes like a green leaf, some kind of green leaf
Wasabi.
juice, wasabi. Yeah, it is kind of wasabi, but wasabi is way more disgusting, and this is way more
Let's just see
fine.
what it is. Green with. It's booger.
What is booger? Oh my god,
Disgusting enough?
really disgusting.
Okay. Next.
Okay, let's try the next challenge again. I'm gonna spin again. Oh my god,
Green.
green.
The
So
plain
we-
green.
We got green.
No, the plain green. Yeah. Choose. So.
This is the plain green we have got.
One.
Here goes nothing.
Don't
Cheers.
cheat.
Don't cheat,
1,
please.
2, 3, go.
Okay, it's lime. What did you get?
It's spicy. I don't know what it is.
हमने जीता ये भी challenge.
I have the last one. The brown one. Here you go.
So what is it? Dog
It's
food?
either canned dog food or it's chocolate pudding. So I get chocolate pudding.
This really looks like a dog food because it's a brown color and
looks like medicine.
देखते
It
हैं
looks
कि
like multivitamins.
yeah, it looks like a multivitamin tablet.
Okay, 1.
देखते हैं, there goes nothing again.
Then go. I've heard the dog one is very bad.
My God! Oh my God! The worst flavor. बहुत गंदा था. No, I've finished it. I'm not gonna eat. Give me this. Oh my God!
It's so bad.
It was really bad.
Probably the worst flavor ever.
This flavor was really bad. मतलब same dog food खा रहा था मैं. So this is our first vlog. अगर आप लोगों को पसंद आया होगा तो please do not forget to
Subscribe,
like and comment. So this was a Bean Boozle. We got Bean Boozle today. Until then, keep watching our vlogs.
See you next time. Bye bye.